Hey everybody, I am super excited to bring you another video using the Dina Wakley gloss sprays from Ranger. You guys know that I absolutely love these. I have shared so many different posts and pictures about these on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And you guys know that these are just amazing and I am obsessed with them at the moment. If you are not following me on any of my other social media platforms, they are always linked in the description box. So I would love to connect with you on other platforms as well. So, anyways, I am just sharing this short little video with you guys, just kind of playing around with the sprays at this point. So I am using some regular cardstock. I don't prep it or anything before I start adding the sprays, and I just kind of am playing around with colors. I am normally not this brave with colors, but for some reason these sprays have inspired me to use more than one or two colors at a time. I am normally using two colors just to play it safe. Once in a while, I will throw in a third color, but mainly it's like one color family with some white or black, or like two colors that I know for sure are, going to look great together. I don't know what it is about these sprays, but they are totally inspiring me to get out of my comfort zone. All right, so as you saw, I had sprayed a tag with a few different colors, and then I quickly took another tag and smushed up some of that color that is on my mat. So this video, I just want to give you guys a few different tips. So the first tip is to make sure that you have enough room around you, because these do overspray, and make sure that you have a big enough mat in order to catch all of that color. These will stain fabric and it will get on everything. So you definitely want to make sure that you have enough room around you, and you don't have your cell phone next to you or anything that is going to get ruined by these sprays. All right, the next tip, and I think the most important thing, is to make sure that you are cleaning the spray, where you spray it out, the excess liquid that is on that sprayer, because it will clog up pretty easy. I have already noticed, after trying to be very mindful of doing that and keeping the caps on the spray bottles, that after a day or two, it is a little bit harder to spray them out. It does work. I haven't had any clogged sprayers yet, but it's very important because these are acrylic sprays. They work a little bit different than like a mica spray or anything like that. So you really need to be mindful of cleaning that sprayer off. The last tip is you want to make sure that you're working a little bit fast, especially if you want to get some of that excess color off of your mat. I tried to smush two tags together. One tag, I had a ridiculous extra amount of spray on it, and I tried to smush them together, and I left them just a little bit too long, and it ripped my tag, and I was pretty bummed. So I didn't work as fast as I should have. But yeah, so those are my little tips. The next video I will have with using these sprays is going to be using them on a gel plate. That was a lot of fun to do as well, doing some mono printing and just playing around with colors and things. But if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you are creating lately. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.